Hey everyone, in this question we have been given a trigonometric equation for which the theta lies between 0 and 360. We need to solve this equation. If we look at the equation carefully, we can see that this is a disguised quadratic because we have sine squared and sine to the power of 4. So if we substitute sine squared theta equals to x, then we can rewrite this as 4 x squared plus 12x minus 7 equals to 0. Now we can solve this. 4x squared plus 14x minus 2x minus 7 equals to 0. Or we can rewrite this to make it easier, where this is minus 2x and plus 14x. Factorizing this will give us 2x into 2x minus 1 plus 2 plus 7, 2x minus 1 equals to 0. 2x plus 7 and 2x minus 1 equals to 0. We will have 2x plus 7 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 7 upon 2, or 2x minus 1 equals to 0, and x equals to 1 upon 2. Since we substituted sine squared as x, we can substitute it back, and this will be sine squared theta equals to minus 7 upon 2. This will, since this is negative and we have a sign, we have a squared over here, this will give us no real solution. So now we are left with x equals to 1 upon 2, and this will give us sine squared theta equals to 1 upon 2. Taking square to the other side, this will give us sine theta equals to 1 upon under root 2. Now we know that we have theta over here and we also have the same domain. We can take the inverse. So taking the inverse will give us alpha equals to this will give us 45 degrees. Now this is the alpha value. We can find the final answers by drawing a graph. Just missed one thing, as this must be, since we did take the square sign over there, so this will give us plus minus 1 upon 2. So we have to make two graphs, one for the positive value and one for the negative value. So we can simply duplicate this. This is for the positive value and this is for the negative value. So for the positive value, we know that sign is positive in the first quadrant and the second quadrant. So our graph will lie in the first quadrant, in the second quadrant, and it will be inverted for the negative value because sine is inverse is negative in the third and the fourth quadrant. So our graph will lie over here and here, and these are our alpha values, which we just found is 45. So our final answer will be, the first will be 45, which is the same as the alpha value. For the second one, we'll have to subtract it from 180. For this one, we'll have to add it in the alpha value to the 180. And for the fourth one, we'll have to subtract it from 360. So writing this down will give us that for the theta values, we'll have 45, 180 minus 45, 180 plus 45, and 360 minus 45. And our final answers will be 45, 135, 225, and 315.